This is Leah Hogsted completing the second part. Now, Gerald Consulting has created a professional executive summary. An executive summary is an important part of the business case. It sums up the purpose and experience of your organization. The first paragraph discusses our names, locations, and our level of professional expertise. It highlights our education and certification. It promises a level of commitment to finding the best quality solution for Zifco Gas. The second paragraph reflects on Zifco Gas's business goals. It is determined that they need a CRM, which is a customer relationship management system, which will help them manage customers, products, services, and possibly suppliers. The cloud-based Salesforce CRM is a platform that will allow a small business to compete and grow in a modern technological-based business environment. This strong executive summary will brand our company and command attention from Zifco Gas and from other prospective businesses. There are 6 stages to the systems analysis and design process. I will be focusing on the planning and analysis part. Systems analysis is a set of methodologies and best practices used to research the current operating environment, identify existing problems, and develop possible solutions. Gerald Consulting has determined that Zifco Gas needs a Salesforce CRM implementation. This was determined after investigating Zifco Gas's business needs. During system planning, it is important to determine a budget, a schedule, and the scope of the project. These are the 3 main project constraints. For this project, we won't be focusing on a budget as much as usual. This is our project timeline. This shows when the project begins and when the project ends. This also shows the different milestones and when the milestones should be done by. And this is our project's Gantt chart. Now, a Gantt chart is similar to a timeline. It just shows the individual tasks in a slightly different structure. So you can look at the individual tasks and their start date and their due date and when things should be done and if they have a predecessor or not. Part of the project plan will include deliverables. Now, part of our deliverables are 2 different sprints. Sprint 1 is organization and customer. This will be developed to show how Zifco will manage its customers and all the data that goes with its customers. Sprint 2 will be developed. Sprint 2 is service type and product, and it'll show how Zifco Gas will be able to manage products, services, and its inventory. This is our SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a useful tool to review internal strengths and weaknesses. These are variables that you can accentuate or improve upon. Your business can control these. The other side of the SWOT are external opportunities and threats. These are variables that you have less control over. However, you should be aware of how they may affect your business. So for Zifco Gas, their internal strengths are they have an excellent company reputation, they have a strong customer base, they are very community-centered, and gas is a commodity that is not going anywhere. For their internal weaknesses, they have outdated operational systems, they have limited technological skills, they have security issues, and right now, currently, they have no analytical information. Now, for the external opportunities where they live, then their external environment is extreme winter. There's always new markets available. New technologies will enable new marketing strategies, and they're always able to expand services and products. Now, their external threats are laws and regulation. The energy is always being regulated by federal or local or state sources. There's environmental concerns that they need to be worried about. There's competition, and then there's other fuel sources. And finally, I wanted to discuss the General Consulting project roles and responsibilities. Josh Plaster will be our technical architecture, and here are some of his roles and responsibilities. For Eric Doherty, he is our project manager. Ray Zifko is our implementation analyst. Leah Hogsted is the systems analysis, and Camille Peterson is our customer and project reviewer. And the next speaker will be Josh Plaster.